Hey everybody, it's time for another video raid. I found this couple last night and they are really good. I've been on a theme here lately of finding singers and musicians, and this couple is pretty good. The name of their channel is Faith and the Fallen, and the husband and wife team, it is Samantha and Justin Anderson, and they live in Alaska, of all places. And I think Samantha was talking this morning, not sure, I think it was Samantha, on Instagram, and I think she was telling me that her mom lives here in Alabama, and we got to talking, and I was leaving to go to a specialist I have in Bessemer, Alabama, which is about 2 hours south from where I live. And guess where Samantha's mom lives? Bessemer, Alabama. So, pretty cool. But anyway, this couple, they have a lot of subscribers. I mean a lot. Not mega subscribers, but they have 2,600 subscribers. That's a pretty good bit for our little community. And, but me and her was talking, and they don't hardly have 2,000 watch hours. She said they don't do a lot of live streams, but they're going to start doing more. But matter of fact, they may have one the night that I released this video. So she said she wasn't sure, or the day for them, evening for us. There's a few hours different from Alabama time and Alaska time. But anyway, I have wore out a few of their playlists already, and I am just going to bring up some stuff. She has this, I don't know if you call it a mandolin, but what is really cool, it's sort of like,
this is called Follow Our Heart.
Sort of like the couple Troubaduo that I introduced y'all to the other day. They write a lot of their music as well, and I don't know if y'all can hear that, but I'm gonna hold it up and let y'all see.
I think of all that passes by, the places, faces that I've known, sit around and wonder why, regretting, forgetting that I'm grown. If I ask you a question, would you?
I mean, it's good. A lot of you may or may not know, but I have an implant for my hearing on my left side and hearing aids on my right side. So some voices for me is hard to hear. I love hearing stringed instruments, and that's my favorite thing to hear is guitars or mandolins or fiddles or banjos, because my hearing, I can pick that up. Some voices I can't hear. Her voice I can hear. It is different, and I really like it. And I think you guys will too. So let's not only go raid their video, but I may actually tag a playlist, and y'all turn that playlist on when you get in your car to go somewhere like I did this morning, and wear that playlist out or wear all of them out, and let's get their watch time up. And this couple deserves to be over 4,000 watch hours. They've done the hard work, they've got the subscribers, and they've got the content. They have a lot of content, and so you can wear out several trips to Walmart listening to them. So let's go watch their videos all the way through and tell them that Daydream About Nice Things sent you. And that helps our community, because I help different communities, and if we all help each other, it builds the whole community, and before you know it, we got a pretty big network, and we all grow together. That's what it's all about. But even if it didn't, as a missionary, I found out it's a whole lot more fun living life helping others. And that's what I've dedicated my life to do, and I encourage other people to do that too. Whether it ever helps me down here or not, I just really enjoy helping people go up. I don't care if they go up past me, that's fine. And they're already past me. But I've actually helped introduce a few people that they have a lot more subscribers than me now, and they had a lot less when we first met. And that's okay. I'm not about being put on top. That's not what it's all about. So anyway, let's go make their day and wear out them playlists and tell them I sent you. And on top of all that, like our video and subscribe to our page. That'd be great. That way, when we do a video raid video, more people will see it. And so we can get it out. Share this video. And so anyway, if y'all see anybody y'all'd like to see us raid, y'all do your own. Hey, I don't own a monopoly on a video raid. Go out and help somebody else. Love you guys.